Today I'm gonna show you how to install custom ROM on Micromax Canvas .L3. First, reboot into recovery mode. That is done by volume up key and the power key. It is in recovery mode. Now choose recovery mode. Yes. Now the first thing is wipe data factory reset. Delete all user data. Formatting data. Formatting catch. Data wipe complete. Now go to advanced. Wipe Dalvik catch. Yes. Dalvik catch wipe. Now go back.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Wipe cache partition. Wipe cache. Formatting catch complete. Install zip from SD card. Choose zip. Choose the zip file that you have downloaded. Select the ROM. Install. Opening update package. Wait till it installs. Yes, installation complete. Next.
Do next
with power button. It's installing the update. Please wait, the process complete is showing.
As you can see, it's installing. ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅವನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತವನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ.
ಪರಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳ.
ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವನ್ ಮಗ, ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ನಿಂಗೆ
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳು?
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದಿದ್ರೆ